Hello everyone, my name is Aiden from Bacten in 10 Seconds. Today I'm going to be going over the demos for our cleaners. So starting off with our foam and gear cleaner, we would use this product for material like leather, rubber, and usual material for any sporting equipment like helmets, shoes, cleats, and in this sense, golf shoes. So starting off with the foam and gear cleaner, basically how you would want to apply this is by applying it on the outside of the shoe, let it permeate into the material. Once that is complete, you want to use the brush or a cloth, simply wipe that down. Alright, so after you've applied the foam and gear cleaner, you want to apply the Bacten Disinfectant and Deodorizer to the inside of the shoe. It's used to kill virus, bacteria, and fungus. You want to make sure you're wearing nitrile gloves as well as following directions on the package itself. You want to wait, make sure it air dries. So finally, moving on to our water repellent. Basically, you want to apply this to the outside of your shoe, creating a water resistant barrier for when it's a rainy day, maybe the day before it was a rainy day, or if there's just some dew on the grass. This creates a barrier for the shoe. If you want to learn more about our product, visit us at hickorybrands.com, or if you want to contact the team, please visit us at info@10seconds.com. Thank you.